Hello guys, my name is Amal and today I'm going to review the phone which I have bought couple of days ago. That is a Samsung Z42 Pro. As the name it suggests, Z42 Pro. It's really a pro phone. I will say I would like to say the information because why it is called Pro in the later part of this video. So before reviewing the phone, let me give you the configuration overview of this phone. So here are the specs of this phone. uh, so it is having 200 SMS memory, digital camera, 1.8 screen, a display, expandable memory, audio video player, wireless FM. It's a very good thing to have a wireless FM because in India it is very nice to have a FM player because there are a lot of channels and we can change the channels and it will be funny. So it is having 3.5 mm headphone jack, Bluetooth, dual SIM and everything. And I have bought this phone from Amazon India, and I have got this phone for around 939 rupees, inclusive of all taxes and delivery. So I think for that price I'm getting a lot of things. So the main USP of this phone is that it is having a 1850 mAh battery. So it's a very good thing because many of the budget phones in this price segment does not have a battery more than 800 mAh. So I think this is a USP of this phone. So Samsung is well known for the um, TVs, television manufacturing thing, and I think the service centers also are pretty good for this. So let me show the packaging contents of this phone. So you are getting a charger which is having ampere rating of, let me see it. It is having an ampere rating of uh, 240 volts and 0.15 amps. For a basic phone, I think 0.15 is very high, so no problem. And we are getting a very high quality USB to micro USB, so it's a good thing. And we are having a user manual in which there are all the service centers information, etc. If you are having any problem with the phone, you can directly contact the service centers which are located in your area. So the another thing is that they are giving two mobile cases. One is red and one is black. So if you want red or if you want to black, it's your choice. So that's a good thing. So let's see the phone. The phone looks great in the hand because it's having a rubberized finish, and the name it suggests Samsung. And here's the camera, here's the loudspeaker. So here is the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and here is the micro USB port for charging and data syncing, and here is a torch. So the weight of this phone is around 120 grams, and it's okay for the price. So let's operate this phone. So the software seems to be okay, but not something great. uh, it is having it is a basic phone which is having a dual SIM, and I have tested calling to the other persons also on this phone, and the call clarity was excellent. And I have checked many times with the persons on the other phone which I have stocking. So it was a very great experience to have this phone. If you are on a low budget and looking for a great phone with extended battery life and excellent battery life, so I think this phone would be your right choice. So there are let me show you the uh, audio. First of all, alarm, wall clock, torch, etc. Torch. So I will show you the loudspeaker. So very nice. So and we are having a normal silent meeting, indoor outdoor, Bluetooth, profile when, which are our favorite things. So no problem. And here in games there are only three games, but Ninja Gem, Sky Gift, and Danger Dash. And there are only five chances. After these five chances, you should buy the game for 50 rupees, and that's a very bad thing which was done by Fancy, because we are buying this phone for nearly 1,000 rupees, and after that also we are paying 50 rupees for each game. So it's a bad thing. I don't like it. So the contact backup is around 200 memory. I think it's quite okay, because most of the it will be in on the this uh, sim card. So it's a thing. Okay. We are having internet, Facebook, Twitter, HTK, etc. Because we are having GPRS in this. So contacts, the software seems to be okay, but there is some lag. These are the shortcuts. This is the FM which I have turned on. So the output, after using this phone for 2 days, I thought that this is the best phone in the market right now. So the camera seems to be okay. So the texture of this phone is excellent, and it's our wish. The battery backup is excellent for this one. So if you would like to buy this phone, then I'm giving that direct link to the Amazon, so that you can buy it. So do use my link. Thank you.